Hello, I'm Tylah Tully, and today I'm joined by Challenger Gold Managing Director Kris Knauer. Kris, Austral Gold's latest update highlights strong progress at the Casposo Plant refurbishment. What's the latest and how confident are you about the startup of commercial operations in the second half of 2025?
Yeah, look, we're quite relaxed that they'll get it ready on time. Not only have we looked at sort of the Austral release. I mean, we've had our new GM of Hualilan up there. He was actually up there on Tuesday, and we've also had a second sort of plant inspection done by an independent processing group out of Chile as well. So we're doing everything to monitor it, and at the moment, progress is exactly where we'd hope it would be.
You mentioned that second independent inspection of the plant that was recently commissioned. What were the key findings from that report?
Really key findings were, everything is going as planned. In terms of things that we thought was a risk, and it's probably a bit technical, but the way they're dealing with their tailings is they're dry stacking them, which means they've got to filter them and squeeze the water out. And we thought that was potentially a bottleneck which could limit the production capacity. And the key finding that came out of the second inspection was it looks like, well, they're confident that's not a construction or a capacity limitation. So our big worry has really been taken off the table.
And with the toll milling agreement securing 450,000 tonnes over 3 years, how critical is this early cash flow to funding the broader Hualilan development?
Oh, look, it's vital. It's the only real way you can do it. I mean, for a company like us to fund a $150, $200 million project, our market cap's currently 150. What do? We go and do a one-for-one rights issue and all shareholders hate us, or you go and toll mill 3% of your ore body and you end up with the same outcome.
So what should investors be looking for in the months ahead?
So look, we've got a pre-feasibility study that's due very soon. You'll also then move on to milestones such as either signing a mining contract with a contractor or an agreement with a sort of large OEM who will rent us that equipment. You look at us signing a trucking contract, just all of these steps as we get closer to mining, and then probably where it gets exciting is early September when we start to drill and blast, and then October we're shipping ore, and November we're processing first ore. So there'll be a lot of news on that front, and then there's a couple of other wild cards sort of in the background.
Well, it definitely sounds like a lot of news flow ahead. Kris, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you. Bye.